If you find your refrigerator doesn't make ice, please check it according to the following steps. Cause summary. If there's no ice, the reasons may be 1. Refrigerator not set properly. 2. The ice maker is not installed properly. 3. Water inlet trouble. 4. The freezer no cooling. Solution. First, check whether the ice maker function is off. Turn on the ice maker. Please refer to use manual. Check if the ice maker is installed properly. Check if the water valve connected to the refrigerator is closed and no water flows into it. Open the water valve. Check if the water tube has leakage. Connect the water pipe. Take out the ice box and check if the ice cubes are frozen together. Turning on the ice maker for a long time without taking out the ice can cause the ice maker and refrigerator frozen together. If you do not use the ice maker, please remove all the ice and turn off the ice maker. When the refrigerator has just been powered on or for a short time, the temperature in the freezer cannot drop enough to make ice. It is recommended that the ice can be removed after the appliance has been powered on for 2 hours. For the refrigerator with ice dispenser, after cleaning the storage box, the select arm should be inserted into select value of crushed motor correctly. If problems are still not solved, please contact our higher customer service.